Hey there, it's Brandon Patterson with eXp Realty, your favorite South Carolina realtor. I just wanted to take a moment to go over the Collaboration Center. It's a personal website that I've designed for you based off the information that you've given me about the home or land that you are searching for. Just want to do a quick walkthrough with you. So what you're going to do is you're going to receive an email. It's going to be from email@paragonmessaging.com. It is not spam, it's from me. You're going to hit visit your site. Once you're in your site, you're going to get a screen like this, and just basically a list of homes that meet the criteria of what we've talked about. To view more details of this, just hit view details or hit the photo. You have sections like the photos of the home, you have the map view, the street view. Now it's important to remember that some of these were probably done a little while back, so it's probably not an accurate live photo of that. So it's a good indicator to see what the area is like around it, but I would recommend at least going and driving by the house if you're able to. Property info. It will give you all the information about the property as far as anything from what neighborhood it's in, the price of it, the compensation of what I get paid, also the property information, square footage, things like that, school information, and then what rooms it has, where they're located, and what's included in it with the room features. It will give you directions and different features that's in the house. You have property history. Make sure you can also use these tabs right here to skip through it real fast. You have the history of the property itself. Now, a lot of people like looking at what the person first paid for the house. We all know that values go up on anything when there is a shortage of inventory. So don't get hung up of what they paid for the house. Just kind of look at it as that's the value of the house. Now, if you feel like it's overpriced, ask me to look at the house and I will tell you what I think the house should sell for based off of the data from today's market. You have documents. Go through there and take a look at the property disclosure. Property disclosure is what the seller discloses about the property. Now, it's important to know that not all properties have to have a property disclosure, so you might not see that all the time, or you might see more information on some listings and others might not have it. It's just whatever the listing agent or the seller wants to provide. You have valuations. Now, in some houses, not this particular one, it might give you some values of the house that is located around it. These are tools to kind of give you an idea, but it will not give you an accurate number. That's what I'm here for. You have a mortgage center. Make sure that you put in the right mortgage rate based off of what you and the lender talked about, how much you're putting down. You can put that in there as well. And you can kind of use this tool, but I will be honest with you, it's probably not going to give you the most effective mortgage calculator. So if you want a general idea, feel free to use it, but the payment might be a little bit more than what is said on there. You have community and life scores that you can go through here and kind of just look at everything as far as transportation, how long it takes you to drive to a certain location, amenities that are located near you, the education, as well as if there's any nature events or anything like that. So it's kind of a cool little tool to use, calculate your commute, things like that. Mortgage Center we already went through, and community we already went through as well. It'll also give you statistics about what anything you can think of. Population growth, great things if you're looking at different aspects of that. All right, now one final thing. Let's say that this particular listing is something that you're interested in. Mark it as a favorite. When you mark it as a favorite, it will come up in this tab right here. So you can use these right here. Now, I will be able to see what you mark as a favorite. However, if you see something that you really like, text me about it. I can look into the property and I will see if I think it's a right fit for you, and then we can schedule a showing for it. I do like to look into the property before I schedule a showing, because I do not want to just schedule a showing because you think the pictures are pretty. I want to dive down to see if I think it's a right fit for you and advise you on it. After that advisement, you can either choose to go see it or not to go choose to see it. That is your choice. Also, if you're not quite sure about a property, you can hit possible. Or if you're like, no, that's not going to work for me at all, you can hit reject. If you have any questions about this, feel free to call me or text me at any time. I will get back to you as soon as I get a chance. Thank you and have a great day.